Good afternoon, Michael. Ron here at Burton Chevrolet in Orfordville, Wisconsin. I'm going to do a quick video walk around on the 2013 Subaru Impreza. Okay, that thing is reduced to 12.8. Okay. 35,000 miles. Okay, two-tone interior. So they have their version of Bluetooth. Okay. Heated seats. 5-speed manual transmission. Okay, nice clean vehicle on the inside. In 2013 Subaru Impreza. Okay. Walk around the back here. You can figure out how to open the rear hatch here for you. Okay. Plenty of cargo room back there. Looks like it has the shade here, okay, to cover up all your purchases. Does have the roof rails as well. Again, 2013 Subaru Impreza, reduced to 12.8. Any questions? My name is Ron here at Burton Chevrolet. Give me a call, 608-879-2973. Again, Ron at Burton Chevrolet. Thanks.